Hey muchachones, welcome back to the canal, to the channel. We have a problem with this tire. Nos quedamos en el camino y tenemos que arreglarla. So there's a couple ways we can fix it. Take it to the tire shop or fix it by ourselves. So I always do a couple things and by myself and fixed it up, and so hopefully it's not a big deal. I mean, I don't know dónde la recogí. Este clavo anda por todos lados en la construcción, así que todos los muchachos que trabajan en la construcción, we know this one. I mean, we're just gonna get some nails in our tire, so I'm just gonna try to fix it, easy fix, and we don't have to get the trail into the tire shop. So first thing, I have this kit. It's not that much, maybe like $6 Home Depot, or and at the auto part you can just pick it up from there. So one thing I learned, we know our work in construction, todos tenemos una herramienta como esta o una cosa diferente más, puedes sacarla también, y ese es el problema, que tenemos que sacar el tornillo. The first step, the hardest way to take it out, that's to take it out or find where's the problem. We lose some pressure. So we have this one, and vamos a poner esta adentro. Ya cuando tenemos este adentro, ya nomás darle unos rayones. You just go like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're almost ready, and we're gonna get one of this one. And just gonna put some, I'm gonna try to put it in here. Lo más difícil es que pase en esta, pero sí va a pasar. So not really bad. Nos lleva como unos 5 minutos para arreglarlo. So no worry guys, we can get fixed. So, porque podemos causar un accidente cuando tenemos estas cosas. Se poncha una llanta y se va a empezar a caer en la carretera, so estamos en problema. So we're just gonna put some glue right here. Ya no tengo mucho glue, pero let's try to. So we almost have 3 minutes, and just gonna put this guy in that. Hey, just pull it out just in one shot, okay? In one shot, you just pull it out, and now we're good. And we have see this cheap knife, and we're just gonna cut, not that big, but just gonna leave it a little bit like this, and just gonna put a little bit more glue. And we're good, muchachos. We already fixed it, so that's the last thing we're gonna do. That's use our air compressor. I know todos los muchachos que están trabajando en la construcción, yo sé que tienen uno de esos. So también you can use the portable one, the portable one you can connect to your truck. And now we're just gonna put some. Ya no tenemos, we don't have any pressure. See, just gonna put some pressure. I don't have a lot of pressure, so we're just gonna put something. So one other thing why I like this one, porque son muy pequeños y no use la manguera, so I don't have to pull down the big hose down and bajar toda la manguera grande, y por eso me gusta ese y trae su número. So right now we're just gonna check the pressure of our tire. We are in the road right now. Estamos en el camino, muchachos. Así que I'm just gonna sit this one for a little bit and I'm just gonna check this one, how many pounds is it.